Hey everyone, my name is Siddharth Nawani and today we would be solving single number problem. So the question states, given a non-empty array of integers, every element appears twice except for one. Find that single one. So you can pause your video and just read the question again. Now what the question is saying, that we have an input element, we have an input array where each number appears once or maybe more than once, and we have to find the number which is appearing only once. So if I see this array 2 to 1, here 2 is appearing two times and 1 is appearing only once, so the output will be 1. Okay, here the input array is 4 1 2 1 2, where 4 is appearing only once 1 is appearing twice and 2 is appearing also twice, so the output would be 4 because 4 is appearing only once, rest all the numbers are occurring more than once. Okay, so when we see such question, the simplest approach which comes to my mind is using a hash table or a hash map, where we can store these numbers as the key and their frequencies or the number of times they are coming as their values, and then finally we can traverse the hash map and just check which value is 1 and we can simply display it. But the question says, can you implement it without using the extra memory? Because using an hash map will obviously consume extra memory, which would be big O of n, where n would be the number of elements. So for such types of question, a approach which comes handy is using XOR operator. So XOR has a special property where if we XOR any number which is appearing even number of times, it just nullifies it and gives us 0. So 2 XOR 2 would give us 0, and then again 0 XOR 1 would give us 1. Similarly, in this case, all the numbers which are appearing even number of times, like 1 XOR 2 would be something, again the result with 1 XORing with it with 1 would nullify 1 and 2 will remain, again 2 XOR 2 will nullify 2 and 2, and the result will give us 4. So XOR has this property where we can simply separate out the number which is appearing odd number of times. So I will try to code this approach for you. First, let me declare one variable result. I will initialize it with the first element. Okay, and now what I will do, I'll simply traverse over the elements in the array and keep on XORing them. Okay, so this trick can come very handy and solve a lot of questions for you. Simply I will XOR it. Okay, and finally I will just return the result. Correct. Now let me just check it if my code is working fine. So the input was 2 to 1, my answer was 1, expected was also 1. So let us submit it. By the way, I am using LeetCode to check if my solution is working, and it got accepted. Great. So thank you guys. In the future I'll post more videos. I am starting from the basic question and slowly I'll build upon it so that we have a good understanding of solving difficult data structures in algorithm questions and achieve our ultimate goal of cracking into a good tier 1 company. Thank you.